Top 5 Best iPhone Charger Cord. The best phone accessories, handpicked for you. Number 5. Susnwere 4-pack Apple MFi Certified 6-foot lightning cables for iPhone and iPad. Your iPhone deserves better than flimsy, slow-charging cables that fray in weeks. Meet the Susnwere 4-pack, Apple MFi Certified, 6-foot lightning cords built for speed, durability, and seamless compatibility with every iPhone from 7 to 12, and beyond. Perfect for busy professionals, parents juggling devices, or anyone tired of hunting for outlets. Unlike cheap knockoffs, these cables deliver true fast-charging power, certified by Apple for safety and performance. The reinforced nylon braid survives daily bends, drops, and tangles, while the extra-long 6-foot length gives you freedom to use your device comfortably, even while charging. Whether you're streaming, scrolling, or snapping photos, your battery stays full without compromise. And with 4 in the pack, you can stash one at home, work, your car, and your go bag. Just note, they're designed for Apple devices only. Android users, keep scrolling. Upgrade your charging game today. Number 4. TAKAGI MFi Certified Lightning Cable 3-pack. Your iPhone deserves a cable that won't quit, and neither should you. Meet the TAKAGI MFi Certified Lightning Cable, engineered for those who demand reliability, speed, and style. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or a parent juggling 3 devices at once, this 3-pack delivers. Unlike flimsy knockoffs that fray in weeks, TAKAGI's nylon braided design resists tangles and withstands daily wear. With 6 feet of freedom, you charge comfortably from bed, couch, or desk, no more awkward crouching near outlets. Lightning-fast data transfer meets Apple-certified safety, ensuring your iPhone 14 down to the iPhone 8 stays powered without risk. 3 cables mean 1 for home, 1 for work, 1 for backup, because life doesn't pause for low battery. Sure, it's not wireless, but when dependability matters, wired wins. Sleek, durable, and built to last, this isn't just another cable. It's your daily power upgrade. Number 3. Apple MFi Certified 6-pack Nylon Braided Lightning Cables, fast charging for iPhone 14 Pro, 13, 12, 11, XR, XS, 8, 7, Plus, 6S, SE and iPad. Your iPhone deserves better than flimsy, fraying cables. Meet the Apple MFi Certified 6-pack, engineered for durability, speed, and real-life chaos. Perfect for busy professionals, parents juggling multiple devices, or travelers who refuse to be tethered to an outlet. Unlike cheap knockoffs that fail in weeks, these nylon-braided lightning cables deliver fast, safe charging, certified by Apple itself. The reinforced connectors bend without breaking, and the tangle-free design slips effortlessly into bags or pockets. With lengths from 3 to 10 feet, you've got flexibility whether you're bedside, at your desk, or across the room. 6 cables mean never arguing over chargers again, or scrambling when one inevitably vanishes. While they're built to last, extreme bending or pet chewing might still cause wear over time, because even the toughest cable isn't invincible. Upgrade your charging game. Reliable. Elegant. Always ready. Number 2. Apple MFi Certified Lightning to USB Cable 4-pack, 3.3 feet. Your iPhone deserves better than flimsy, uncertified cables that fray in weeks. Meet the 4-pack of original Apple MFi Certified Lightning cables, engineered for flawless compatibility with every iPhone from 6S to 14, plus iPads and iPods. Perfect for busy professionals, travelers, or anyone tired of constant replacements. Unlike cheap knockoffs that overheat or fail to sync, these deliver fast, safe charging and data transfer every time, thanks to Apple's rigorous certification. The 3.3-foot length strikes the ideal balance between portability and reach, whether you're desk-bound or on the go. Reinforced connectors and premium nylon braiding mean they outlast standard cords by miles. Sure, they're not the longest cables out there, but their reliability? Unmatched. Stop gambling with your device's health. With 4 in the pack, you can keep one at home, work, in your bag, and car, without compromise. This isn't just a cable. It's peace of mind, wired. Number 1. Apple MFi Certified 10-foot Nylon Braided Lightning Cable 3-pack for iPhone and iPad. Your phone dies at 2% right before that crucial call. Not anymore. This 3-pack of 10-foot MFi Certified Lightning cables delivers relentless, fast-charging power exactly when you need it. Perfect for busy professionals, parents juggling devices, or anyone tired of tripping over short cords. Unlike flimsy knockoffs, these nylon braided cables resist fraying, tangling, and daily wear, built to outlast your current charger by years. The extra length means charging from your couch, bed, or car seat without leaning awkwardly toward the outlet. Plus, Apple's official certification ensures seamless compatibility and peak performance with every iPhone from 6 through 13, plus iPads and SE models. You get reliability, freedom, and peace of mind, 3 times over. While they're designed for durability, extreme bending or pet chewing can still cause damage over time. Keep them tidy, and they'll keep you powered. Thanks for watching Best iPhone Charger Cord. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.